Hey guys! Today we're going to be making spicy Korean style chicken feet, other known as 매운 닭발. This video was inspired by Halloween, so happy Halloween! So I got 3 pounds of chicken feet from Whole Foods. So you want to first rinse the chicken feet in water a couple of times because we don't want to eat dirty feet. Now you want to cut the toenails off. Then you want to soak the chicken feet in soju, beer, or any other cooking wine or alcohol for at least 30 minutes. To make the marinade, you want to put 2 tablespoons of Korean red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fire chicken sauce, depending on your spice preference, 1 tablespoon of gochujang or Korean red hot pepper paste, and a half teaspoon of salt. After you soak the chicken feet for 30 minutes, you want to boil the feet for about 5 minutes to get rid of any impurities. After 5 minutes, take out the chicken feet and put it in your Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, drain chicken feet of dirty water, fill the pot with new water, and boil for 45 minutes on medium-low heat. You want to put 1 onion and 5 bay leaves. Then I put enough water to just barely cover the chicken feet. Then I cooked it on the meat stew setting for 20 minutes with high pressure. After 20 minutes, you want to take the pressure out. Then separate the chicken feet from the liquid. You're going to want to stir fry the chicken feet for 1 minute in oil. Then put all of the marinade we made earlier. And stir fry for 45 seconds. Then take 1 cup or 2 ladlefuls of the chicken feet broth and mix with remaining sauce. "30 seconds before the end, you want to put green onion and hot peppers for garnish, but this is optional. To make the rice balls, all you need is rice, sesame oil, salt, and nori. I hope this video helped you overcome your fear of eating chicken feet because it is so delicious and great for your skin. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, like this video, and turn on your notification bell. Happy Halloween! Bye!